Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to find duplicates in Excel. You can highlight duplicates raw or duplicates contain or duplicates number in Excel. So how you can find Unix also from Unix content also from Excel in Excel. So let's start the video. If you're new on this channel, I request you please if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and comments. So don't forget to comments below. So without time wasting, guys, let's start the video. So guys, I am on my Excel sheet, and if you see this is a I had sample data. But if you have huge data in Excel and you want to show only duplicates, you want to find duplicates contained in the Excel. So there is a filter, or there is a way you can use. So there is a Excel filter to find the duplicates. So guys, here the step. First you have to select the row or columns, or you can select a whole Excel sheet to find Excel to find duplicates. So I'm going to select whole Excel sheet, and here in order to search or find duplicates and remove it, how to do that. Okay, so for highlighting duplicates, here you have to select all Excel or particular row or column by scrolling, and in home you can check out with conditional. Sorry, you have to click on conditional formatting, and you can see the down arrow. Click on it, highlight cell rules, click on highlight cells rules, and you have to click on duplicates value. So you can see only duplicates value or name you can the highlight it now. Okay, so here you can see there is a value with light red filled with a dark red. Okay, you can change the no color also as your requirement. So I let's keep red one. Okay, so from here you can find unique also. This is unique, the red one or unique, or this is duplicate. So if I when I highlighting duplicates, just click on OK. The duplicate is highlighted. So that is how you can find or search duplicates in Excel. Thank you for watching.